it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. For today, I have a home decor video. So the last video I posted was me removing all my Christmas decor, and I showed you guys how my house ended up looking at the end of it. It was so empty. It felt like when we first moved into our house. So I was really excited to redecorate again. I was a little unsure on how to decorate, like if I should decorate for spring already or Valentine's, which I don't normally do. I did post a poll on Instagram, and a lot of people actually decorate for Valentine's, but I decided not to do that. I did kind of start decorating for spring already, but I wanted to show you guys some of the decor items that I added to my home. Some of them are new, and then some are just items that I already had in my garage that I took out to redecorate with. So we can start off with the kitchen. So this is what the kitchen looks like right now. It is a little gloomy today. It's been gloomy like the past couple weeks, so I haven't had the best lighting in here. But this is a quick overview of what it currently looks like. So starting off with the island, I kept the same tray that I had for fall and Christmas. This is from Target. I've had those coasters for a long time, and they are always just on the tray. This vase I've also had now for a year, and I am obsessed with it, so I've kept it all year round. And I think I'm gonna keep it this year again. Unless I find a vase that I love more than this one, then I'll switch it. But for now, it's gonna stay. I did add these new stems from Target. They are from the new Hearth and Hand collection. So I did get 3 of the flowers, and I also got 2 of these stems with the little tiny buds on them. They were each around $4.99. And by the way, I'm gonna link everything that you see in my home in the description box. So if you guys are interested in buying anything, the link will be down below. But we will move on to this side where the stove is. So I do always like hanging something above the stove. With the lighting of the hood, it just makes it a perfect place to hang something on there. So for Christmas, I did have a wreath on there, but I did find this new wall art at Target, and it's this vintage looking frame, and it has like this oil paint on it of some oranges, and I just thought it was so beautiful. So I hung that there with command strips, and I did that for fall too. I hung another painting, the one with the apples, and I used command strips, and it stayed on there the whole season. So that's why I decided to do it again. And then for this little area, it pretty much stayed the same. This has been the same since fall. All I did was that I took away a Christmas tree that I had here, and I just re-added my little rosemary pot. And then I did just get this key bottle opener from Homelistic, and it's super cute, and it has a little tassel hanging on there. You guys should check out that store on Instagram. They sell a lot of cute things like that. And then this area over here is pretty much the same. I've had that lamp for a really long time now, and I still love it. So that is there. And then moving on to this area. If you guys were following me during Christmas, you saw that I had so much going on in this window. I had a wreath, and I had a bunch of little Christmas trees up here. But right now I took everything off, and it is super plain, and it's just gonna stay plain. I actually just bought these bottles at Target this morning. They were $3 each. I saw them on TikTok. They're currently going viral on TikTok because they're only $3. They are from that what's it called? The bullseye section at the front of the store. and I actually found them, and they also do make them in a clear glass and then like a frosted amber glass, but I decided to just go with the regular amber glass, and then they actually come with the stickers. So it comes with hand soap, lotion, and dish soap. So I thought that was a really good deal for $3 each. So I just added those there. I do get a lot of questions about this drying rack just because of how huge it is. It is from Walmart, so I always link that on my Instagram. If you guys go on my Instagram, I have a highlight called links, and you guys can find a lot of stuff that I link on there, stuff that I get asked about a lot. I'll just put it on that highlight so that it is easier for you guys to find. But that was pretty much it for my kitchen. I think I'm just gonna keep it like that all during spring and just keep it clean and simple. But I thought I would show you guys the living room because I did add a couple new pieces in there as well. So let me show you that. So this is the living room. I had to make up something in this little corner since this is where the Christmas tree used to live. So I re-added this chair that I had there before, and also this fiddle fig tree that I bought from Hobby Lobby. I just brought it back out. I had it in the garage. But I did get this new painting. It's from the new Studio McGee collection at Target, and I just thought it was beautiful. It looks so big at the store, but it fit perfectly in this little wall right here. So I just thought it looked so good in this corner. I also did add this new ottoman that is also from the Studio McGee collection. So it is like a velvet material, and it's just in this light brown color, and it has this wooden bottom to it. I really liked the design of it. I thought it made it a little more different than the usual ottomans. I was planning on buying the ones from last year, like the squared ones that a lot of people had, but I'm glad I waited because I think this one is so much more interesting. And then I did also buy this new throw pillow. So this is like a lumber pillow, and I just really liked the pattern on it, and I was obsessed with the color, this like darker burgundy color. I did do burgundy for Christmas, and I kind of just stayed with that color. Like I wanted to continue having burgundies in my home because I love that color. So that's this little corner here. And then if we move on to this side, this little table is pretty much the same. I just have a lamp on it. And then I also have this candle currently burning called Stargazing, and it smells so good. I got this candle from my subscription at Velabox. So if you guys are obsessed with candles like I am, I would recommend that you check Velabox out so you can get a new candle every single month. And then moving on to the sofa. So I did add a couple new pillows. Actually, I think, yeah, I only added one new pillow. This throw blanket I've had for a while. And then this burgundy pillow I had during Christmas. I also had this little boucle pillow during Christmas as well. And I also had the rest of these out. I have another fluffy burgundy pillow right there that I'm obsessed with. It is from Costco, and it is so soft. But I did add this new pillow right here with some pattern on it. It's like a vintage pattern. And it's also from that little store that I mentioned called Homeplistic. It is so nice, and it kind of matches the rug that I have. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then for the coffee table, It's the same tray, and then this is another candle that I got from Vela Box. I think I got this one during November, I think. And then this little plant is new from the Hearth and Hand collection, and this is the smaller size. And I just put it here because it's pretty small that it won't block the TV. But yeah, I thought it was perfect. And then for the TV stand, I'm kind of still working on it. I basically took off all the Christmas decor and then just kind of left it like that. The only thing that I did bring from my garage is this item right here that I had from last spring and summer. So I just added it here to have a little bit of green on this side, since I have green there and then green here. For my gallery wall, I have also not done anything to it. After removing all the Christmas decor, I just left these items on there. I do plan on adding some really cute lights up here, some gold overhead lighting that I bought on Amazon. So once I install that, I will show you guys how that looks. But you guys can also follow me on TikTok and Instagram so that you can see when I install. And then this is my little entryway with the shoe cabinet. All I did here was add this really cute plant that I already had from last spring. So I just wanted to add a little bit of a wood tone on here. That's pretty much all I'm gonna do for this area. Actually, I was thinking about switching this black mirror for a gold mirror. So upstairs, I already have a gold round mirror. So I was thinking of maybe switching them just to add a little bit more contrast here, just because it's like black and black. So, and I thought the gold would also go a lot better with like my decor. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think I should do. But let's go upstairs and I will show you guys our bedroom. This is the mirror that I was telling you guys about right now. So this is gold. I got this one from Hobby Lobby. The black one I got from IKEA. But let me know what you guys think. I really like the color on it. It's more of a brassy gold. But for this area here, I haven't really done anything to it. After removing my Christmas decor, I haven't gone back to add anything to it. I do have this vase here that I need to add stems to, but I do have a lot of stems in the garage, so I'll probably find something there. And then I did also just get these. They're candlestick holders. They're from Homeplistic, and I need to get white candles for them because I only have black ones. And I think, or maybe I'll try, well, I have a black one right here. So, oh my god, I can't take it out. But I do have more black ones, so maybe I'll see how that looks on there. But everything else is pretty much the same. Okay, and then this is what the bedroom looks like right now. All I pretty much did was get those brown pillowcases. I think those are new from the Threshold collection. And then I also got these new pillows. It's like this mauve pink color and then a little bit of brown on there, which is why I went with brown pillowcases. But those are the only two new things I added to the bed. And then I did bring back this fiddle fig tree up here that I've had for a long time now. So that's pretty much it. I also did add these little olive branches on this side just to balance out the green in the room. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my bedroom. So I'm back downstairs because I forgot to show you guys our powder room. I did used to have a lot of Christmas decor on our shelves, but I did redecorate them. So this is what they look like now. This is kind of how I had styled them when I first put up the shelves. So I just re-added some of the stuff. So like the painting and this little plant that I already had. And then I pretty much already had everything. So I just restyled them. I still have this basket here holding the toilet paper. And then I did bring in this hand soap dispenser. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I still have different areas that I need to decorate, so I will be showing you guys those in another video. Let me know down below in the comments what type of videos you guys want to see from me, because I do want to try and upload once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. So give me some ideas, and also follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Thefighome if you want to stay updated. I post on TikTok every single day, so follow me on there. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.